Just a business call.
Oh, really?
Nice.
Alright, fine.
So, wow.
Oh, how has it been now?
Oh, thank God.
So let's cheers now.
Yeah. Ah, please come. Hello?
Please do not take that drink.
Huh?
Could you believe that guy you called your best friend poisoned your drink?
I can't believe this.
Oh, you don't even believe me. And the person you trusted so much, you believe, poisoned your drink.
Are you serious?
Yes, I caught him red-handed when I was coming to see you.
Ah. No. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. Please, I don't want anything that will bring problem between me and the person you are talking about. Please, just...
Yeah. On your data, let me send the video to you on WhatsApp.
Okay. My WhatsApp is on. My data is on. Okay, I'll be waiting. Alright.
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 Mr. Shiji,
Yes.
this one your mood is changed like this. What happened?
No. Sorry, just a business call.
Oh,
It's not an issue.
okay.
This
your
Yeah, I'm coming. Ah,
What happened?
no, sorry.
Really?
Uh,
Okay.
so,
Okay, it's fine.
yeah. Ah, have you watched this film? Very nice film.
This is an old film now.
Yeah.
This is an old movie.
It's a very nice movie.
Let's shoot.
Why are you after my life?
I don't understand. After your life, how?
You don't know. Why do you want to kill me?
Oshidi, why are you talking like this? Why will I kill you?
Ramzino.
Oshidi, what happened?
Ramzino. I'm disappointed in you.
How? I don't understand.
You're supposed to be my best friend.
I'm your best friend.
You're supposed to be the one that I can trust with my life. Why the same you that I trust? The same you that I can take a bullet for, that will be the person that will be after my life. Why?
See, Oshidi, I don't understand what you're talking about. Why will I go after your life? You are my good friend. Right from childhood. Why are you saying all these things to me?
You are not after my life, right?
I'm not after your life.
You can swear that you are not after
I swear with my life.
Check this. What is this? See, Ramzino, imagine. A lot of people have been telling me that you want to take my life just because I borrow you money and you don't have to pay me back. Must you take my life? You are my best friend. What will it cost you for you to tell me that you cannot pay me back this money? See, why? Tell me the reason why you want to kill me just because I borrow you money and you don't have to give me back. See, why? What is my offense? Can't you imagine? You don't even know that I changed the drink. Yes! It is because I don't want to pay evil with evil that I did not allow you to drink. If not, I could have allowed you to take this drink and waste your life the way you wanted to waste mine. What is all this? I borrow you this money because of where we started from. Right from primary school. And now you want to waste my life because of how much? Now I know better that your best friend could be your worst enemy.
Oshidi, I'm sorry.
I beg, leave me.